What's up, extras? Welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having an extra fabulous day. Today, I'm feeling a little extra spicy, a little extra energized, and I'm glad to be doing today's unboxing with you guys here. If you are new here, hello, I am Ralph by Design. I do unboxings, bag-related content, vlogs, things of that nature here on my YouTube and on over on my Instagram, both Ralph by Design. If that's something that you do enjoy, please consider subscribing here and following me on Instagram, both totally free. And without any further ado, let's get into this unboxing. So today's unboxing has two boxes, actually. We're gonna start with the small one. I did order a bag, and then the free gift with purchase came later. So it did come in two different boxes. Let's start with the small one. Okay, cute little box moment there. Right. Let's see what's in here. So we got the little Coach dust bag here, and let's see what's in here. Right. Okay, so these are hang tags that came specifically from the pop-up. So just like, you know, your normal hang tags that you get at Coach Create or whenever you do purchase a bag, they come with these hang tags, but you can also get them hot stamped. And I got them, let's see if I can get you guys in here. So I got these hot stamped with the Murph logo, which is the Mint and Surf collab that they did. This was only available at Nolita. You could not get this anywhere else. And I'm glad I got this. This is a really, really pretty like avocado green. It has the initials MIRF on there. That's their little signature that they do on their graffiti pieces. And then I also got the red. I figured this one would go great with my Murph clutch that I also got because it has a red outline. All right, we have the star of the show. The box is a little beat up. She's a little squished, and I don't know if you guys can hear that, but there's something rattling around in there. I don't think it's anything related to the bags. Maybe it was a card or something that was put in there that's being knocked around. Let's hope this has nothing to do with the bag. I'm pretty sure it doesn't, but let's get this open. Right, here we are. I did request for this to be put in a gift box, and I kind of had a feeling with this type of box that it wasn't going to be put in a gift box, but I gave the benefit of the doubt, but it is not in a gift box. So the gift wrapping to me is part of the experience, part of the boutique experience. So when I request for something to be gift boxed and it doesn't come that way, it's kind of like a little, you know, wah, wah, wah. But let's just hope the bag is beautiful and it is perfect. The bag is in here, fully wrapped. And it looks like we have some goodies from the pop-up in here as well. We have, oh, how cute. Okay. These are Rexy patches, and they have the Mint and Surf graffiti on them. I'm pretty sure these are like heat activated. I can just like iron these onto things. I think these are actually really cool, and these would go really well on a bag. There's the light colored one, and then they also included the dark colored one there. I really like this one. Look how cute those are. I'm definitely gonna use those. This looks like stickers. I believe these are stickers. These will be cool for like a little binder kind of moment, or maybe I can dress up some of my hydro flasks with these stickers. I think these are kind of cool. It looks like there is a book. I did find part of the rivet that holds this together. No biggie, I'm sure I can figure something out here. But it looks like a little like Mint and Surf photo book with their art. Look at that, that's pretty cool. I like that. That is definitely really, really cute. Okay, so this is what we're here for. She is fully factory wrapped. Another one I did request to be factory wrapped, and I'm glad it did. Looks like we got our receipt in here. So let's get this open because, like I said, I only seen some pictures of this bag. I did not see any mod shots or anything like that. It's just the color caught my eye right after the fashion show. All right, so let's get this all unwrapped. Love, love, love the color. It is so bright. And I love the pebbled leather on it. It's got some deep pebbling. If you guys are familiar with Coach's pebbled leather, you know that there's variations. There's different amounts of pebbling. Some are deeper, some are more lighter, smoother. I'm really happy with this pebbling because from the quick picture that I did see of one that was unwrapped, it was very heavily pebbled, and I really, really love that. Look at that color, the pebbling on there. That is stunning. Look at the back. And this is style number CJ824 in the color Candy Apple. And this is called the Buy Now Glove Tan Pebbled Small Tabby Messenger. And this retails for $3.95. Let's get this all unwrapped. All right, you guys, here it is unwrapped. Like I said, this is the Buy Now Tabby Messenger in the small size in the color Candy Apple. It's the same color as my Rogue top handle, and I absolutely love that. You can see a difference in the color because one being pebbled leather and the other one being smooth. They absorb the color differently. This is really, really beautiful. I love the red on it. If you're not familiar with Coach's Buy Now series that they do every time they do a fashion show. So what Coach does is day of the fashion show, they have their fashion show that's live stream on YouTube, Instagram, social media like that. And right after the fashion show, they put just a few bags usually online for sale. So the second that it comes off of the runway, it is sold. And it's always for the next seasons that are coming up. Of course, they're not doing a fashion show for the current season. And so this will be launched in February. Do expect some variations though, because just like my Buy Now Cash-In that I have up there, the inside of that one is actually leather lined, but the production versions had 1941 canvas jacquard lining on the inside. So what I've seen about this one was that it actually looked like it had suede interior. So I would imagine the production version, they're going to do a microfiber like they do on a lot of their bags. I do like the mechanism that they are using on it here. I don't know if you guys can see, but there is a push button right there, and that you just grab the tabby here and then you push that and that unlocks it for you. And to relock it, you line it up and then you push it there. It looks like the back pocket here, I don't know if you guys can tell, but it is magnetic. I do love that. It's features like that that you might expect for them to remove them for the production version. So with these, like I said, these came off of the runway and then they sold them right away. But this year, it was very different. Normally, they pop them up online and they sell out immediately. But this year, they did it different, and you can only get them at the Nolita Mint and Surf pop-up. Only way to get this. You could not get this any other way. I think this is such a cute little size. The only thing that I am worried about is this is definitely not going to be a crossbody bag for me. This is just going to be a shoulder moment because this is its longest setting. And that's the only thing that I'm just kind of like about, because these straps are non-removable. They are permanent. You get what you get and you can't extend them out anymore. That is one of the downsides. Do keep in mind when these do launch in February, from what I'm told, along with you guys, there is going to be a tabby kind of like box bag. It looks like a Cassie, but square. And with this tabby like flap here, it looks so cool. And I think I'm definitely gonna have to get me one of those. Let's get on the inside of the bag. So we have that another pocket here, and it looks like it's a snap pocket. And Yep, guys, this is suede. So this does have the suede lining. This feels amazing. It's really thick, really thick leather that they used on this. And I do love the suede lining. It reminds me of the 1941 bags, you guys. I really do like that. That's one of the things, if I had to guess, when this goes into production next year in February, I believe my prediction is that Coach is not going to do it with suede lining, but they will do it with microfiber lining. That is my guess. I hope Coach proves me wrong, because I would love everybody to have this bag with suede. To me, it just elevates it, makes it feel more luxury. And I love suede anything. Suede on the inside of a bag, suede on the outside. I think it's such a nice touch, and it just feels good. There's the inside of the bag. It is suede everywhere you look in there. It's got the Creed in the back here, as you can see. It's got a snap pocket right here. And that's about it. So it just has that one pocket there. Like I said, this may be a small bag, but to me, I feel like this is gonna hold quite a bit. Usually messenger styles hold quite a bit. And then you have your other front pocket there as well. It says genuine glove tan pebbled leather down at the bottom. And to me, you guys, like, this is fully unstuffed. This has a good amount of weight for something so small, and I love that. To me, that just screams luxury. It screams quality. When Coach is using this thick glove tan pebbled leather, to me, I know this thing is gonna last forever. It's gonna be super durable. This is gonna be one of those bags that you can take out on a night out. You can take it traveling the world, and it's just gonna get better and better with age. It is soft, malleable. The more you use it, the more softer it's going to get. This does have a style number on the Creed on the inside, which is a little bit different, because if I remember correctly, the Buy Now stuff normally has all zeros. The zeros inside normally say, you know, it's a sample piece, and they made very few of these. I know in even some colors, they only made like 2. Not too sure about the red, but overall, these are extremely limited. It just kind of seems like that was the thing of the Nolita pop-up, and I just went crazy with things that are limited edition, and they only made a couple of them. My Moto Bandit that I absolutely love. I get so many compliments on it. The day I launched that video, you guys, I moved right in, used it for 5 days. I went out of town, and I absolutely loved it. The Bandit is such a great bag, and then it's such a conversation piece when people look at that, to know that it's made out of vintage leather jackets is so cool. This bag is adorable. I do like the size. I don't know how I'm going to do with the short shoulder strap. We will see. I love the bag. I love the color. I love the size, but this strap just might make it so I don't want to use it. So I don't know if that's something that I should even keep. Who knows? After I'm done filming this, I'm going to try to wear it, not out or anywhere, but just put it on and see, you know, how I feel about the length of the strap. Because like I said, it's on its longest setting, and it doesn't seem like it's actually that long, and I can't do anything about it. If Coach, you are here listening, when these go into production, make the straps longer, because especially these gender neutral bags, men and women will be purchasing them, and will be buying them, and will be wearing them. And if you're tall like me, that makes it a lot harder. This is definitely just a shoulder kind of moment. I'm gonna go play with this. I'm gonna see if it's gonna work out for me. So thank you guys so much for watching. I'll catch you guys on the next one. And don't forget, stay extra out there. Bye.